Hello guys, are you someone जिसके बड़े बड़े सपने हैं but you always sit there and watch other people succeeding with their dreams and your dreams are just getting left behind? And also you know that manifestations work, but still you don't know how to make manifestations work for big dreams like having a big business or getting those clients and working in that hi-fi space. You don't know all that. Now let me tell you, it's not your fault. You just don't know the right technique of how you have to do it. You may be feeling, constantly trapped in overthinking, laziness and procrastination, or maybe you have days when you wake up feeling unstoppable, ready to change your life, लेकिन next day क्या होता है कि you are back to square one. The excitement also fades and you're in the same cycle. अगर मालूम भी है कि manifestation हो सकती है, but still you don't do all that. And why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy. And like I said, it's just that you don't know the right technique that you can follow. And here I am ready to give you this right technique of Jack Canfield. And just that, all you have to do is watch the video till the end. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma. I am a manifestation coach for leaders. I not only help in small manifestations, like people usually experience their first manifestation with me within just 2 to 3 weeks. I also help in big manifestations, like helping entrepreneurs setting up their business, helping them with their business plan using the 7 chakra method. And Jack Canfield's method, this one that we are talking about, is very, very effective. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. चलो अब आराम से बैठ के इस मेथड को डिस्कस करते हैं कि जैक कैनफील्ड का ये कौन सा मेथड है. द मेथड नेम इज आवर ऑफ पावर एंड आई गिव इट टू वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिया. शी वाज स्ट्रगलिंग विद एंजाइटी एंड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. मतलब शी वोंट रियली डू द टेक्निक्स प्रॉपर्ली एंड आई then got into this session with her and took 21 days commitment from her. कितने दिन का guys? 21 days commitment. मैंने कहा कि अब तुम्हें 21 days तो ये करनी ही करनी है टेक्निक and you are not going to stop. And she had to, because then we do hand holding like that she had to do this technique for 21 days and then just look at the result. She landed a big client and the client was so big that it covered, the entire year for the business, and then 2 more small clients. And then she sent me a WhatsApp and we all were like clapping as a win ritual. So this was the success story. और ये छोटा सा tweak है. This is just a small tweak that how you're going to do your manifestation techniques. So now I'm going to explain to you that what exactly is hour of power. So hour of power. Now this is a very, very special technique, and this is also, a lot of people ask me that Shilpa, how you have so much of energy, you are able to accomplish so much in a day. And I seriously swear by this technique because I use it, and that is the reason that I am also able to generate so much of success in my business in such a less time. So how the hour of power works is that it's a simple yet life-changing morning routine. Now morning 1 hour must go towards your manifestation techniques, and it's broken into 3 20 minutes part. 20 minutes is your workout. All right, you can do yoga, you can run, walk, whatever you do. Now next 20 minutes is for your meditation and deep breathing. Like you could do deep breathing or box breathing, because I'm really a fan of box breathing and I'm using it every time I start my meditation. And the next thing you could do is just sit and do the 7 chakra meditation or any meditation that you want to do. And the next 20 minutes is to fuel your motivation. So what you have to do is you can do manifestation techniques in those 20 minutes, and if it still gives you some time, then you can listen to some motivational music or podcast also. But first thing is the manifestation technique, which needs to go in this last 20-minute block. Got it? So your 1 hour of the morning, and it is important because I love to work out. I love to go to gym for an hour, but I can't do it every day when I have a lot of commitments. So that 1 hour I give to myself, and I distribute it into 20 minutes of 3 portions, and I do these things. And if you do them too, then you will be unstoppable. And now just wait, because the next section is important for you. Now this section is important for you because this is how you can start this too. So guys, this is not an entertainment channel. I am not here to entertain you. I am a manifestation coach, and now you just got the technique, you understood it properly. It's time for you to start it, because then only watching this video is effective. Because if you just hear it and you like it and you go back, no, I won't let you do this. So what you have to do is commit to me that you are ready to take this challenge for next 21 days. All step 1, step 2, step 3, I'm recapping. Like first you have to do some workout for your body, then you have to calm your mind, and third is manifestation techniques, or giving yourself some motivation. If you have just finished your manifestation techniques in 5-10 minutes, then go for some music or podcast which can fuel your motivation. Now what you have to do is write in the comments below, I am ready, and that will show me that you are committed to do this and you're really committed to change your life. And also anytime you want to get inside my coaching for that hand holding and my life support, which is totally customized also, if you go one-to-one or in my group coaching also, I have step-by-step methods to change your energy. You can just find the link to book a call in the description and do that too. Alright then, stay tuned, and I'm here to change your life. Keep coming to my videos and keep changing your life. Happy manifesting. Bye-bye.